Thank you for joining us tonight. For NBC5 News at 6, I'm Maximus Osborne. Participants in the rally made it very clear that they would not be happy if Medicaid funding was cut, and thousands would be affected. NBC5's Michael Gonzalez has more on the story and our top story tonight at 6.
Hands off Medicaid! Hands off Medicaid! Hands off Medicaid!
At Vogel Plaza, dozens were in attendance for a rally dubbed Hands Off Medicaid. SEIU 503 Local, an organization that represents more than 72,000 workers in the state, organized the rally. It was an answer to President Donald Trump and congressional Republicans working toward cuts to critical programs over the next decade.
Medicaid helps in multitudes of ways. It helps for those who are suffering from addictions get off drugs. It helps for those who are in desperate need for some financial assistance because times have got tough. It's a bridging gap.
The proposed cuts to services would primarily affect those who rely on the Oregon Health Plan. Those who heavily depend on Medicaid include pregnant women, the elderly, children, and people with disabilities.
If Medicaid funding were to get cut, workers say that it could significantly impact services, leading to layoffs and inadequate care for those who need it.
Every single person that walks through our door is somebody that needs one of those services. They come through the door, they're scared, they don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, next week, next month. They don't know if they're going to be able to pay their bills or not.
With the thought of funding cuts looming, Badger Max says the public will feel the negative effects it will cause if it were to happen.
We wouldn't have anything to do. Half of our staff would have to be cut because if half of our Oregonians don't have the care, then we're not going to have anything to do to help them with the care.
After the rally, notes were written on sheets of paper and left on the window of U.S. Representative Cliff Bentz's district office down the street.
We're here to tell Cliff Bentz he needs to stand by his constituents. It's really important that we do not have any more cuts to Medicaid. It will be devastating to our state budget and also to the lives of many Oregonians in this state.
In Medford, Michael Gonzalez, NBC5 News.